Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at something super exciting from Spellbinders, the Crafty Advent Calendar. Spellbinders has been doing Advent calendars for the past several years, and once again, I'm thrilled to see their newest Advent calendar available this year for 2026. I feel like August is the time for Advent calendars. At least that's when I start to see Advent calendars from my favorite places pop up. Personally, I am a huge fan of Advent calendars, and every year I have a friend with whom we chat a lot about our Advent calendar purchases. And, we share the links, we share feedback, we share reviews, and we basically talk about things like Advent calendar calendars that we're going to purchase for that coming year. We purchase Advent calendars for ourselves, but also for our friends. Like I will typically get an Advent calendar for my mom and also one more for my closest friends. And of course, one, or if there's something that really catches my eye, maybe two or even three for myself. So I am a fan of Advent calendars. I never get tired of them. I mean, yes, if it comes to like skincare and makeup, I will get tired from them. But if we're talking crafty Advent calendars, no, because who does not like a crafty surprise during December? I mean, I think everyone does. So the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar is now available. You can purchase this in the Spellbinders store. You can get one for yourself. You can also get one more for a crafty friend if you have one. And I cannot recommend Crafty Advents from Spellbinders enough because they're really fantastic. They're well thought out. They're well put together. There are a lot of different products, mostly dyes, but not all of them are dyes included in these. And for me, this is a great excuse to find that 30 minutes or an hour each day to open the window, grab the little surprise for that day, sit down and create, because life can get very busy in December. And this is my excuse to slow down and have fun. I think I did all 24 videos or 24 cards with all the 24 surprises from the 2025 Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. So you can check that out if you're curious, if you'd like to see what was included in the last year's Advent. You can check that out on my YouTube channel. And that can kind of give you an idea of what you can expect to receive in this Advent. Now, today I am not unboxing anything. I'm not showing you anything. In fact, you will see the first product on December 1st. There are some sneak peeks on the back, so I'll get to that in just a second, but we're not opening the Advent. This video, I will not spoil anything in this video because, there are two types of people. Some people love to see what they get before they buy it, and there are other kinds of people who like the surprise. I am the surprise people. I really like to not know what's coming. I mean, I would love to have a general idea of what's coming, right? I love Spellbinders. I love their products. So I love their Advent calendars because I know how amazing their designs are. Okay, I also want to talk about a couple more things because in the past, Spellbinders did more than one Advent calendar, and this year they only have one, this one, the Crafty Advent. Last year, they also had Stitchmas, 12 Days of Stitchmas, which was a stitching Advent calendar with stitching dies. You had 12 different dies. There was also like an add-on that you could buy with needle and thread and cardstock and like a needle minder. Really cool product. But that was geared more toward crafters who enjoy stitching. I love those Advent calendars as well, but I don't think they were as popular as the Crafty Advent. So I feel like Spellbinders retired the Stitchmas and there's no more Stitchmas. Also last year, there was a Halloween, a Craftoween, the Halloween Advent calendar from Spellbinders. That one sold out like hotcakes and it was unavailable after a couple of hours of going live. So this year, there's no Halloween Advent calendar from Spellbinders, but there is the Halloween Advent Calendar from Hero Arts. So Spellbinders recently purchased Hero Arts company. Well, not recently, a couple years ago. And now Hero Arts products are manufactured by Spellbinders. So Spellbinders doesn't have a Halloween calendar, Advent calendar, but Hero Arts does. And I've already shared a look at this Halloween box on my YouTube channel. You can take a look at that video as well if you're into Halloween. I'm really excited about this box. It's actually a pretty heavy box. I want to say it's heavier than this one, but I'm not sure. I don't have the scales to weigh the two boxes. But maybe that would be a good idea, you know, like weigh the box and say like, hey, this is like this and that. This weighs, I don't know, like 2 pounds, and this weighs 3 pounds. I don't know. I'm totally making this up. Just an idea. Anyhow, the Halloween Advent Calendar is available from Hero Arts. The videos or the sneak peeks for this Advent Calendar will actually start soon. I think sometime in September. I don't remember the exact date, but soon. So this is that. Now, if you're into boxes, like if you're into kits and boxes and goodies that are boxed and put together for you, there are also 2 more products from Spellbinders that I kind of want to mention in this video. There is the Just at Cake. That's a birthday card making kit. So it's not an advent calendar. It's just a really fun kit geared specifically for birthday cards. And I love mine. You know, I'm yet to create with it because I will have a video tutorial for the Spellbinders YouTube channel featuring the products inside that box, and that will be live in September. By the way, I will drop a little sneak peek. There is a collection coming in September with little add-ons for this cute little guy. This is Chompster. And you can dress him or her up in many different ways. But in September, there's going to be a collection with other pieces, like other items that you can use to decorate your Chompster. So the birthday box, Just at Cake, is available now. It has been available since March. Again, fantastic box. Cannot recommend it enough. And then one more box that I want to mention before I jump into the Crafty Advent Calendar is the Dear Santa. Now, this is a Christmas card kit box. Spellbinders has their annual card kits, and this is the card kit for this year, for 2026. I also have a video tutorial. I have an unboxing of the contents of this box, and I also have another video where I show you different cards that I created using this box. And this is like perfect for a beginner crafter, because this does not include dies. This does not include stamps. You basically open the box. You just need scissors and maybe some additional adhesive, and you're good to go to start crafting. So this is a really neat beginner style box. Okay, let's now look at the Crafty Advent Calendar. So we have 24 crafty surprises, especially for card makers. We have dies, stamps, stencils, embossing folders, and embellishments. Now, I will say that these are not your typical size, right? So when it says stencils here, this is not your A2 stencil. This is a smaller size stencil that can create a focal point on your card, or probably, again, depending on the design. I've not seen the design, so I don't know. If you can, if it's a background stencil, you know, you can stencil it a couple of times to create a full background for your A2 card. The same with the embossing folders. This is not your A2. This is not your 5x7. This is not your large embossing folder. It's a smaller embossing folder. In the previous years, the embossing folders are usually like this size. So it's about like 1.5 inches by probably like 5.5 inches. So you can create little embossed strips for your cards, or you can emboss it multiple times. I do have a video where I show that, to create a full embossed background for an A2 card. And then embellishments. In the past, I believe we have had sequins, and these come in like different colors. You know, like you'll have 2 or 3 days with a different colored sequins. I don't know if that's the case this year, but that's what was included last year. Okay. I'm going to flip this to the back, and on the back, you'll be able to see some sneak peeks. So if you want this to be a total surprise, don't watch, but I mean, please continue watching. Okay, let's see. So here we see what the box looks like once we open it. And we also see some little product examples at the bottom here. So it looks like we have candles, candle dies. We have a little sentiment banner die. I can't really read what it says, so I'm not sure. Then here's a preview of that, one of those embossing folders. And like I said, it's just like a skinny strip that you can emboss for your A2 card, not a full A2. And we have this cute koala with a flower, so really, really fun as well. And then, well, the rest is mystery. I really love the art on the inside of the box. I will say that this art, it's not indicative of what's included. It's just pretty packaging. It does not actually reflect the products that are on the inside of the box. Now, the Crafty Advent Calendar, this is not Christmas, right? Because some people might think that this includes Christmas themed products. No, this includes everyday products. So you can use your Advent calendar and craft all year long. I know some people even start opening their Advents on January 1st when they have a little bit more time after the holiday craziness. But I just wanted to mention that it's not Christmas, it's every day. Okay, so let's read what it says here. This delightful Advent calendar contains 24 crafty surprises, including cutting dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. Just add paper, inks, and adhesive to create dozens of projects. Cutting dies and embossing folders require a manual die cutting machine, such as the Spellbinders Platinum, Platinum 6, or Scout. Not included. So if you're brand new to card making, if you're brand new to die cutting, this kit, this Advent calendar does require a die cutting machine because dies are included. You will need some sort of a die cutting machine, not necessarily a Spellbinders die cutting machine, to be able to use those dies and cut them out to create pretty shapes that you can then put on your cards. So that's a quick look at the Advent calendar. Let's do the traditional shake. Can you hear the dies shaking inside? Oh, this makes me so happy. Anyhow, that's a look at the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar that is available now. Grab yours if you're into Advent calendars. Grab one for your crafty friend, or maybe even two. These make fantastic gifts. And let's start crafting. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.